Hello everyone, take a piece of cardboard paper and then on either side make multiple slits on it. Add some tape to it and then stick on some ice cream sticks to it. Circle around multiple pieces of thread on each of these slits. Then turn the direction of it and add more thread to it. Gather it all in the center together as such. Cut it from the back and then once you remove it, this is what it should look like. Next, we'll learn how to make this propeller. In order to do this, first you'll need a small plastic bottle. On either side, stick 2 ice cream sticks together and then use a rubber band to fasten it all together. We have used 3 layers of the rubber band so that it is tight. Add another layer of the rubber band at the top and then add a small little plastic piece to it. Then once you twist it, this is what it should look like and it should be able to move. Take an ice cream stick, make a hole in it, and then take the metal portion of a mask. Add multiple of these together in the mask portion. Then take a red sheet of paper, make a hole at the bottom, and then stick on your ice cream sticks to it. Line it with different colors. We have decided to make it look like a watermelon. You may also do other flavors if you please to. Now you should have yourself a fan. Next, take some cardboard paper, make multiple slits on one end of it. Stick an ice cream stick on the other end. Now, taking a thread, insert some thread along the verticals of each of these slits. Then, taking another piece of thread, make alternate lines and then gather it all together as such. Do it with different colors. We have chosen to do it with the red and the yellows and orange, greens as well as pink. Now, cut it from the back and you have yourself a bracelet. Take multiple wooden sticks as such, arrange it in this triangular shape, add a little bottom frame to it as well, and then make a little swing set out of it. You may make a little decorative toy sit on it as well. Next, start off by taking a bottle, cut the bottom part of it. Take multiple branches and then stick it all around. Add pebbles to the base and then add some brown clay to the top. Take multiple balls of green clay and then add them through a thread. Keep a little bit of distance between them and then stick them onto your branch to make it look like a beautiful tree. Next, collect multiple branches, cut them up into differently sized pieces of wood. Then make this frame out of it to make it look like a chair. Add the backrest of it as well and then add a small little handle to it. Finally, this is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking a cup. Cut out the base of this cup, add a hole in the center, put a portion of the straw through. Add lines to it. Then taking a straw, bend it in half, add the back wheel and then add the seat as well. Twist it and then make it move as such. Next, take a bottle, make a hole through the side as well as the top. Make a hole at the bottom as well. Take 2 ice cream sticks and then add a hole in the center of each of them. Add it to the top and then add a thread through it. Add a thread through the side and then connect it to the other contraption you have made. Twist it as much as you want and then pull the thread accordingly. Take 2 bottle caps and then to the side of each of them stick 2 branches. At the top, add a cute little Santa hat and then add a face to it as well. Stick this onto some white pit. Take a red sheet of paper, cut out a triangular shape out of it, make a hole at the bottom and the top and then put a toothpick through it. Take a bottle cap and then add some clay to it and then insert the first contraption into the second. It should look like a sailboat. Blow it around in the water. In order to make these helicopter-like gadgets, start off by taking a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally on either side and then fold over 2 of the ends to make it meet in the center. Now fold it over horizontally as such and then make 2 folds onto it. Fold it over into half as such, right down the middle and then fold in the sides so that it looks like this. After this, it should be inserted one into the other. Let them down from a height and watch as it falls down. In order to make this, start off by taking some hay. Start off by rotating it and then making a knot out of it. You should get this bunny-like shape. As for the rest of it, twist it and insert it through. Cut off the excess pieces of it and then use it as a ring as you please. Next, we'll be learning how to make this dart contraption. Tie up 2 earbuds together and then tie up another one right above it as well. Then take a rubber band, join 2 of them together, add one on one side and one on the other. Thank you for watching.